Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today's Tip Tuesday tutorial is thanks to a viewer who suggested these Spool Tamers from Beadalon. Now I'm very sorry, I don't remember who commented that on one of my videos. If it was you, please comment below and let me know, and I give you a huge thank you for suggesting these. The Beadalon company sent me a whole bunch to try them, and it's true, they're really cool. So here for the 20 gauge wire, this is the one I use most often. I'm just going to remove the end from the hole there, make sure it doesn't come apart, and then we're going to stick the end of the wire into the little plastic part, and then just take this and snap it around the spool. And easy, and you just pull that if you need to straighten it out. And then to take your wire out, you're just going to take this and hold it in place and just unwind the wire. And to put this on the spool, we'll just stick the end through the hole here of the little plastic piece and just pull this around the spool. Give it a little tug if you have to straighten it out a little bit. And there, it's ready to take the wire out. So for the 6-yard spool, I just tightened up the little elastics a little bit, and I'm going to stick the end in the hole again, and then just bring these ends around. So you can just pull these ends to tighten it up, and it works perfectly. So now you could see this tiger tail is a hot mess too, and I actually tried myself to put an elastic in there. Sometimes I've done this with those broccoli elastics, but you can see this one was too small, so I'll just remove it. We'll just take out all the slack and re-wrap it up so it's smooth, because tiger tail can be very fragile. It can get kinked really easily. I like to go for this thicker, it's a 7-strand one. It's quite thick. So once you've removed all the slack from the tiger tail, just take your end and stick it in the hole there. Bring it on top of the spool here, and then just pull the elastic around, just around like that. When you need the tiger tail, you can just pull it out like that. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.